Here's how to unlock set and forget free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube in just 15 minutes a day. 3 questions. Have you ever wanted to make an amazing living doing something you actually love? Do you ever feel like just quitting your job? Do you wish you could just have the freedom to do whatever you want? Then you're going to want to pay very close attention to this presentation. Hi, my name is John and I'm a YouTube and online marketer. And if you've ever felt frustrated and like nothing seems to work out, I can relate, because not so long ago I was in the exact same position as you. Before I discovered the secret traffic blueprint, I always wanted to be a full-time YouTube marketer. You see, I suspected the gurus knew something I didn't, but I didn't know for certain. I just had this nagging feeling that I was being kept in the dark. But the media and all of my friends always said how powerful YouTube traffic is. Did you know that 1/3 of the internet is on YouTube? And that 35% of product searches start on Google. In a few minutes, I'm going to reveal my secret traffic blueprint. You're going to discover why this is the simplest way to get free traffic online. Finally, I'll show you why Google and YouTube will send you all the buyer traffic you'll ever need. Watch now or miss out. See, this information is very controversial in nature. Therefore, I can't guarantee it will be around forever. Watch this presentation now, or you might never discover those secrets on your own. But if you thought your frustration in the past was bad, think of it like this. Nothing will prepare you for the future if you don't unlock these secrets. Introducing YT Velocity. I saw that ordinary people were really getting fooled by misinformation, and I wanted to help by sharing what works for me. So I decided to outline this secret blueprint for you. Solving all your traffic problems with YT Velocity is easy. All you need to do is copy and paste my methods, then you're all set. With YT Velocity, you can never worry about getting buyer traffic again. YT Velocity comes packed with great features like the Traffic Ranking Blueprint. Over-the-shoulder, step-by-step videos show you exactly how to exploit YouTube and Google for free traffic. It's beginner-friendly. Just copy what you see on screen and you're all set. Set and forget traffic automations. Uncover pro optimization hacks and a free tool to skyrocket your results. That once set up, runs 24/7 on AutoPilot. Done for you content and keywords. There's no need to reinvent the wheel, just use what already works. We give you our favourite shortcuts for content and keywords that get results. Tools, resources and insider extras. Save boatloads of time and money while skyrocketing your results. You can see which tools get you the best results. Uncover secret authority hacks that 10 times your success in a fraction of the time. YT Velocity will also make your life easier by showing you secret ranking hacks for fast and sustained results. Authority shortcuts that give you the most wins in the shortest time. Fast and done-for-you content ideas for easy video creation. How to use set and forget automations to explode your views. Secrets to adding 100+ buyer subscribers to your channel every single day. The exact process we use to go from scratch to 10k per month, mainly passive profits. Click the button below now to get YT Velocity for a low one-time fee. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what our beta testers are saying. You get traction, sales and rankings as quickly and ethically as possible. John Tattison. YT Velocity is killer. I learned so many hacks I never would have discovered by myself. This training has seriously upped my marketing game. Nick Roberts. Well, here I was thinking I knew it all, and then John and Cynthia come along kindly granting me access to their in-depth YT course, which I'm happy to say has doubled my results. Paul and Marie. I often get asked the question, how do I know YT Velocity will work for me? The truth is, this blueprint has consistently worked for 100% of beta testers. I also get the question, can I really do this? In reality, almost everyone can with hardly any effort at all. But there's more to YT Velocity than just getting buyer traffic on AutoPilot. As a valued customer, you will get access to a private member area with VIP support. I I'll also fully guarantee your purchase by giving you a 365-day guarantee. The price of all this is normally $47 per month, but today it's just $12.95. We've also added some great bonuses. Bonus number 1, the OLSP Traffic Domination Group. This underground private group shows you how to dominate traffic. This is a value of $9.97. Bonus number 2, how to explode your YouTube channel. Secrets from a YouTube expert on how he exploded his channel to over 36,000 subscribers and how you can too. This is a value of $2.97. Bonus number 3, 10x Commissions Machine. This complete video series shows how to set up powerful affiliate marketing campaigns. This is a value of $1.97. Bonus number 4, Lazy YouTube Method. This is a full training course from a self-proclaimed lazy ass YouTube expert on how he makes huge profits with barely any effort. This is a value of $1.97 as well. But this offer is going to be around for a limited time only. We may even close the offer after 200 people get access. And it will be returning to a monthly fee after this launch period. Imagine knowing you had the opportunity to tap into this unlimited free buyer traffic source but didn't. An opportunity like this is once in a lifetime. If you want to really create a life of freedom, the time to take action is now. The main reason newbie and intermediate marketers struggle is traffic, and YT Velocity solves this with spades. YT Velocity will give you secret ranking hacks for fast and sustained results, and secrets to adding 100 plus buyer subscribers to your channel every single day. You also get set and forget traffic automations and done for you content. Here's a recap of everything you're getting. You're getting the easiest and fastest way to generate unlimited free traffic. 100% free buyer traffic direct from Google and YouTube. You also get the step-by-step tutorials and the 4 premium bonuses. Click the button below now and lock in the lowest price possible. The time to create your life of freedom is now. Click the button below to get started, and we'll see you on the inside.